So I often struggle with getting students to own ideas and integrate them into their own thinking. And I feel that this is, so it's not only important to know a theory or an idea, the way in which the scientist who proposed it wrote it up, whether it's a Piagetian idea, or whether it's Paulo Freire and his ideas, but somehow it has to become a part of our own thinking and our own vocabulary. And we have to learn to think with the concepts that these thinkers give us. And I often wondered how that might happen. And then I had this idea that even when we are students, we could be throwing students into situations in which they have to think with these ideas. And so, this whole possibility of introducing cases or problems to students and asking them to imagine that they were that thinker responding to the situation arose as a strategy or an idea that could be used to get students to own ideas as their own and think with them. So, for example, in one assignment, I invited students to think that they were Paulo Freire and they had to evaluate the government of India's proposal for literacy, adult education. And as Paulo Freire, how would they actually, what is the feedback that they would give to government of India? So you really have to put yourself in the shoes of this thinker and his theory of education and literacy. And then you have to look at this very real policy document, which is out there as an objective fact, and you have to evaluate it. And then you have to remember that you are not just doing a critical academic review, but you're really interacting in the policy space. So you have to make sure that the policy guys listen to you. They're not so irritated with your ideas that they switch you off, but you have to really persuade them to take your point of view seriously. And this really worked. I think it produced answers that even I enjoyed reading. I used to often feel quite, a little monotonous about getting students to just write explain Paulo's theory, or, how is this concept different from that. This really gave students an opportunity to analyze the situation, imagining that they themselves were that thinker, and it produced very, very rich analysis and insights. In fact, very, very unusual points of view emerged from various students writing from their own uh, particular subjectivities and positions. And since then, I have used the strategy repeatedly. It's a great idea, and I feel that it really, really enables students to engage with concepts. And for me as a teacher, I very much enjoy uh, the new kinds of insights that this form of analysis generates for students. Getting them to imagine that they are the thinker and then respond to a situation.